Hey guys, welcome back in today's video. It's your boy MakeDog870. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make instead of a Gorilla Tag IK rig. You guys must have seen a bunch of other people's Blender profile pictures on Gorilla Tag, but some of you guys are probably wondering, oh yeah, how do I make an Animal Company one? There's no Animal Company one. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you that. And by the way, this is my first video on the laptop. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. And anyways, let's get straight into the video. Once you guys got this open right here, link in the description. It's going to say Animal Company. You're going to see this. And then you're going to want to go to links. Click on... You go ahead and want to type in Animal Company Blender on this little search bar right here. And now you guys are going to be like, wait guys, you guys are going to see all that text right here? And search up rig. And then gonna select this. Pizza Lover 24, Animal Company rig, VR zip. You guys don't have to do all this. This is just going to be in the link description. Just guys click on this. Potential dangerous download. I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not. Just click continue download. It's not going to do anything bad. Then this should pop up in your downloads. And you want to click open file. You guys are going to see this Animal Company rig. Double click it. That's going to show you the resources, Animal Company items, and the rig. Go ahead and double click the rig. And then wait, let me see. Oh wait, yeah. Don't just click it one time and then that's going to open Blender. I have two right here. Just delete one. Once you guys click on this, it's going to show all this Y stuff right here. Just give it a couple seconds to load in, I think. So you're gonna see these active tools right here. Just go ahead and okay, yeah, give that a second. Then go ahead and move that back. It's pretty laggy right now. Okay, once it downloads in, it's gonna look like this. Now act like it was Gorilla. Click on the outline by holding shift. And then go ahead, just bring that back like that, there. Then that's gonna be kind of curling. You guys can, oh my gosh, never mind, wait. You guys can change that if you want to, just leave it like right there, there you go. And then go ahead and change the fur color. You guys can change it to personally anything. Just go to hex and then there should be something you can type in color code. I'm gonna just click on blacks, and that is my original color code. Once your thing loads in, you can go ahead and just look. It's gonna look like that. Now for the name tag, get out of this real quick. Then click on the purple spot right there. Then it should say name tag up here. Make sure your materials, by the way. And okay guys, now once you get over here, click on base color, this yellow little dot right there. Then click on image texture. It should turn like that. Then once you guys do that, click open. And then you should see, just go down to Animal Company rig. Now click resources. And then click on the name tag, PNG. Open image, and then skip a couple seconds. That should pop up. Now, you guys don't have to do this, but go ahead and click this to closest so it looks a little more. Actually, you guys can do that. Then the roughness, I don't really have to do this because I'm not going to be in small details. Really focusing on that. Then you guys can go ahead and scale it by clicking S. Oh my gosh, it's too big. Like that's good. Then make sure if this thing is dragged out by any chance like that, just go ahead and click it. It should pop up. Then click move. right there looks about good. Or maybe just like a little back. Maybe just like a little tinier too. Like right there, that's perfect. Okay, got it. Then once you guys do that, hold shift, click on the name. Then you want to click tab, take it over here. Now you guys don't have to do this, but you can go on caps lock and turn it on real quick. There you go. Then just type in your username. It might be a little too big. If that happens, click tab, S. Make sure the name tag is not selected. Then just the text. I can make it a little bigger since I'm gonna be dragging it right there. Drag it in, kind of like right there. There you go. How do I get out of here? Oh my gosh. Oh, I clicked on it and I got out of it. Just click Control Z to get out of anything. For example, if I were to go like this, I'm like, no, I messed up. Just click Control Z to take it back right there. Now for this, if you guys like get mixed up the lights or anything like that, just click on right here. Then click on that, double click it, yeah, and then that display monster should show up. Now to get it in its pose mode and everything. Actually, never mind. To get all the stuff set up, like the like the backpacks and the stuff like that, I'm gonna go ahead and just do him holding a crowbar like he's getting ready to fight someone. Go ahead and go to File, then go to Import FBX, then same thing, go to Animal Company Rig, Animal Company Items FBX, Import FBX, and it should. Oh frick, why is that checked? Oh yeah, here it goes, lagging again. This might not take that much. Yeah, there you go. Let's give it a couple, like 1, 2, and 3. 3. Okay. Oh, 3. Yay. Okay, worked. Now, pretty sure the name tag is. Okay, no, it's not. No, it's not. There you go ahead and just click this red thing right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What did I just do? Okay, let me click Control here so I can get back. Okay, the red thing did not work. Why is it doing that? Am I scaling it? There you go. Move it. Move. Now, since the flashlight won't have an image texture, I don't know what to do about that. Sorry, guys. You can just go ahead and download a random flashlight from Sketchfab and everything like that if you want to. But anyways, just zoom out here. And just go ahead and highlight this thing right here. Click on this green thing. Everything else should get unhighlighted except for this little piece. Then click on that, and then nothing is highlighted. Even over there, nothing's highlighted. Now go ahead and just highlight the crowbar. To do that, just hold down Shift, then click your left cursor, then hold it down to open this little box thing. Now, instead of just clicking, since this has 3 parts that are connected, just click and hold, and like you're gonna take a picture or something like that, and grab that. You should also do that with the backpack too. Now, click on the bone, then go to object mode, pose mode, then kind of like the same thing. You don't see this thing following you. If you want to change that, just click on this, and it should take you to the regular stuff. Click Shift again to move it. Here's things people struggle with. See this little thing right here? When I do this, both of them move. But when this is off, only one moves, which is good. So I can go ahead and move this guy up here. Now, if you want the mouth open, click on bone, see the little thing, then move it up, and that changes the way it goes. Now, if you do it too high, that name tag will be right there. Pretty annoying. Just gotta close it like right there. I don't really want it open. Like, I could have it. Actually, yeah, I think I would have it open. And then object mode, that should be selected then. And click on here. Now go ahead and make sure you're on object mode. Click add, click camera. It should pop up. Go to camera. Now let's go ahead and click view, navigation, walk navigation. Then same thing, WASD to move. Let's get them up. I want a good one. Go down. You can scroll out, so then when you find your perfect spot, you guys are wondering, oh yeah, that doesn't look good. Go ahead and go to view layer. No, actually output, and then make sure they're both on 1080. So it looks like that. Then you could have more space for that and everything like that. Now I want to have it just a little bit up so the finger is like that. Just like that, and I have more space for my guy over there. Now go to render image. This is my final product. I don't think you guys can see this, but this is what I see. Then you want to go to image, save as, and then I'm gonna go ahead and save it to my pictures. Save the pictures, just give it a name. Save as image. And now I think you guys can choose whatever background you want. Once again, just now type it in again. Then new project, Instagram, create, file, open place. I don't know what you did. Saved pictures. Where's the save pictures? Finally did. Open. It's gonna do that. No, go ahead and do the same thing. Select. BG. It's gonna do a horrible job. Then just click on it again. Remove BG. This time it's gonna give you a notification. I'm sure you guys saw that. Then it's gonna put an ad. As you can see, it's literally 30 seconds for me. I'm not sure you guys can see this or not. Now it's gonna say processing. I'm just gonna show this right here. That's good. Click on the background. Click delete. There you go. Now it's gonna do that. Now click on file. Actually, this is where it comes to the real stuff. If you want an animal company really like that, you're gonna want to go ahead and open your Oculus, doesn't matter which one, take a picture of the background yourself or something else, and then go ahead and copy that onto here, put in your downloads, then go to Google, copy in your Google Drive, and yeah, that's pretty much a lot of stuff to do, but it's not that. Well, yeah, it is a lot, and I'll just skip that part. Just 3. Actually, you know what? I'll just have a picture of it, like right here. There you go. I downloaded it. Let me just put this closer. Okay, guys. Once it's downloaded, if it looks like this and you can't see your character, just make sure that's dragged to the very bottom, and that should pop up. Now, if you want that to be smaller, just click on this guy right here, and then it's gonna open this thing, and then you can move that like this to make them like smaller and kind of move them. You can just go like that too, ish. Go ahead and have them like right here-ish, and then now I added in something. Oh yeah, the monster. Fish. Come here, fishy. Oh, brother. That ain't no fishy anymore. As you see, kinda add him That looks cool, doesn't it, guys? No, it should look just like that. This little cricket just has that for a reason. Put as big as you want. I feel like I could have the guy a little bit over to the side. No, not that. I meant the guy. I meant the guy. Bro, this thing's up. I'm about to kill him with this. There you go. Finally. The guy. Okay, now I click on fish. This looks a little. Oh my gosh, bro. If I do this again, I'm gonna. Look at him, like right there. And then, no. There, and then the angle comes right there. So then again. Oh my god, look, we did it. You just click this thing right here. Make him huge because you don't want to get the log hole. Can't really see his name as well. Doesn't really matter. No, I want to make this guy big as well. This angler, he's huge, but us monkeys are huge too. Go ahead and just, once you guys are done, go ahead and click on File, Export as PNG, and that's not a thing. It's just gonna look like that zoomed in. Go ahead and name it. Put the angler. The angler. Save. No, it's gonna pop up your downloads, which I think you guys can or can't see. Click Open File, and then click on this right here. Full screen this. There you go. That's your result. Now, you guys don't have to make pictures, just pictures. You guys can make like animations, any kind of really thing. And that's how. Don't really have to save them. I don't really save them, so I can have a. I just don't save them at all. Oh my gosh, what do I have so many tabs? Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. And if you're wondering, links are in the description. Peace out.